So why I chose to study medicine at UP was when I one day came to the campus and I was absolutely blown away by how beautiful it was. I took a look at the skills labs and the state-of-the-art equipment, and before coming I also knew that UP produces healthcare professionals that are hands-on and work ready, and that was something I really aspired to be. My highlight on my journey in health sciences, I remember there was one day when me and my friends were playing cricket in the garden at the residence just here up the road, and my friend said, "Okay boys, let's pack it up, we need to go study." And obviously medicine students, they fit the stereotype of always wanting to study and work hard, but something that he said really resonated with me. He said, "We need to go study so we can change lives one day." And that was really a turning point in my life. I realized that we're here for a reason, and we're here to make an immense impact in the healthcare of South Africa one day. And I think that really resonated with me. So I would say, for a prospective student who's considering coming to UP to study health sciences one day, is to absolutely go for it. Do not even ask questions. This is a beautiful campus with beautiful people. The programs are super well thought out, and the curriculums are perfectly based on what you're going to do one day. So if you want to be at the forefront of medicine one day, I think this is definitely the place to be.